good one. This is a good one.
Yeah, it is.
You got one.
Yeah, nice
Good one.
Good job, brother.
Oh my God. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Just want to say in advance that we did not have enough time to film an intro in the beginning of the video, so apologize for that, but this is after today. But our goal today was just to get out there and fish two nice private ponds that we have here that we've hit before, and hopefully get on some nice fish. Well, guys, third or fourth cast. Caught this little bass on a pretty big spinnerbait. But, hey, it's a start. So, get this hook out here. He choked it. I was fishing it right on the bottom. Just a little guy, but hey, it's a start. Number one. Alright, so guys, no luck on the chatterbait here, the neon with the big paddle tail swim bait on the back. Did catch that small fish right off the bat with this big old spinnerbait, but I still don't think that's what these fish are going to be keying in on today. So I'm going to switch it up to a slower presentation. I normally like to fish a faster moving bait, but just doesn't seem like these fish are keying in on that today. So we're going to try something different. And go with a little worm presentation, Senko, or maybe a Texas rig.
First one. Nothing huge, but it's a start. There's one sitting right here, Jackson.
What?
Grab me my spinning rod, my green spinning rod.
Oh, I see a bluegill.
I got him! I just sight fished him. This could be a good afternoon. Number two for me.
It's on. Rem literally just said, "Look, guys, there's a bass." Throws the fluke in. Smoked him. That's number three.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, it is. That is a good one.
Don't want to break my rod.
I don't have my scales over there. Probably like a 2-pounder.
Yeah, I'd say. You got beat up on this side though, so maybe there's a bigger. Yeah, I'll be nice to you, buddy.
Double up, baby.
Did ya?
We got one tinkering with it over here. Brett just pulled one out. We're gonna go for the hook set. There we go. Double up, baby. Not a bad little guy. He freaking choked it. Little guy, but it's a fish. My second.
Easy, buddy. Quarantine 2020.
go, baby. A little largy on a big watermelon speck Senko, but I'll take it. This is a good one. This is a good one.
Yeah, it is.
We got one.
Yeah, nice
Hey,
one.
Good job, brother.
Oh my god.
Now that is freaky.
Look at that,
Nice
baby.
one, dude.
Woo! He just freaking spit it.
You want to weigh it?
I mean, 2 pounds probably.
Probably 2.5. Come on.
Well, here we go. The nice little bass there. Probably about 2 pounds. Good chunk. There. Look at that thing. Can't beat it. On the Senko for the release. Just caught that nice 2.5 pound largie on the Senko. We're gonna pitch back out there around that dock. This one not big, but it's nice.
Yeah, that's a good one. They're all good, buddy.
Look at that, baby.
Looks like the same one you caught.
No, it's smaller,
Nah.
but it's still good though.
Great fish.
Get that
Good job,
hook out.
buddy.
The second big one.
Yeah.
Crushing them. Nice hook. Woo! Look at that old boy. Not a giant. Pound and a half. Pound and 3/4. Here we go,
Nice.
baby.
You got a nice one.
Look at that. Let's get this. Let's get a release on this guy.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go. Just caught that last nice fish by about 1.75 pounds, but he gave the old tear to the Senko. We'll probably keep this other side as a small one, but I'm gonna go get another big one on there and maybe catch another 1 or 2 of them. So stay tuned.
There we go, guys. Told you. It was all over but the shouting. Oh, Boone and Crockett. See, I told him I had to pull out the old special bait. Phew.
He's right here.
You missed him?
Yeah, I missed him. We're just using a little fluke. I'll get him. He's aggressive.
How big is it?
A pound.
Nice, buddy. That's a nice one.
Told ya. I watched him come up and grab it. I got a bunch of them. Number 3 for me. Getting bigger every one. Waiting for that 10-pounder.
First cast. First cast. There we go. I got it on video. Little guy. A fish is a fish. These little ones, their mouths are so small and soft. The freaking hooks really go in them and they're tough to get out. Here we go for the release. Little guy. Or not got. Oh, yeah, dude, I got a little one. I didn't even know it. What the heck? No. Huh, look at that, boys.
Wait, did they hit you last night?
Skip up.
I don't think you got anyone off.
Not too bad. Old dink. Catfish! Not bad.
I thought you were kidding or serious about the
Not bad, a little largy. Probably gonna be the last one here for the day, and we're gonna go to another pond right across the road. But definitely did pretty well here. So let's get a slow-mo release on this guy. Do I have to do anything? Nope.
Nice, brother.
Good one. It's not as good as I thought. Oh, he freaking choked it. Alright, guys. Caught this guy. But unfortunately, he did swallow it, so we gotta do some work on him here. Hopefully, I can save this old guy. Decent. He choked it. Come on, baby.
Look at that, just like that, it's crazy. Like it was
There we go. Look at that, a little blood. We're gonna get him back in, but not too bad. On what?
I put a new spoon on.
Spoon? Why you guys? Spoons are killing them.
Dude, that's how I caught my tank fish. You guys are... I told you about my haircut, right? Yeah, how I saw the crow.
Oh yeah, dude. Get this little camera. I wish I could get the net, but we don't have one.
Is your GoPro rolling?
No.
Dang it.
Push it.
Montana's
got it on the stick.
Right,
Is it still on there?
I'm not even gonna cap. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
At least a 2-pounder. Oh, it's more than that. Good job, brother.
Sweet.
The juice, baby. Alright guys, just caught this nice one on a bluegill swim bait. Gonna go ahead and get him released.
Felt like a giant. That's like a pound.
1.5. You wanna
like
weigh him?
That's like a pound.
Okay, get the hook out.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Oh!
Right here.
Yeah!
No.
Yeah, he just smacked it right here.
Out of all those casts.
I know, I've been casting the same spot and literally right in front of me, he smacks it.
Yeah, it was good. There's another one. That's a little one. Ruined my fishing hole.
Yeah. On my rod.
That's a smallmouth. I was waiting for Brett to say, really? That looks like a smallmouth, dude. Dude. These little buggers sometimes. Just trying to get you off my hook. Not as big as I thought, but... Dude, it's a big one!
Is it?
I don't want to lift him up like that. Half a pound. Alright guys, well, we've been crushing them on this little Texas rig fluke here. We're just jigging it fast. It's like this off the bottom. There we go. You guys got to keep up. Oh, he spit it. Just as I said. No way. I got the best lure on right now.
Do you want that one?
Montana. There you go.
That could be your fish tank bait.
You already have to. Show Jackson the picture.
Barely hooked this thing.
Again.
Oh my god.
Sure it's not the same one?
No.
Look at this. That just goes to show you how cool these bass are. Ram.
Look how small that one is.
Looks like an anchovy. And the release. Oh.
Oh yeah, baby.
Is that a big one?
Oh yeah. Oh, he spit it.
Yeah, they're like this one right here. Looks like a creek chub. That's little Daxon. It's a little one there. That's how you do it.
Got one. I wasn't even paying attention. It's on my phone. Another solid 1.5 pounds.
Go on, man.
Woo!
Good job, Ram.
There we go on the jig. 1.5, not too bad. Go ahead and get this guy released. There you go.
How do you feel about today?
Feel pretty good.
Jack, I told you about my haircut, right? Yeah, how I saw the crow. Alright guys, we had a very successful day on the 2 ponds. We caught lots of fish, probably, I don't know, we lost count, probably upwards of like 30 or so. Some nice ones, around 2.5, 3 pounds, and then lots of average ones for these 2 ponds. But thank you guys for tuning in and watching. If you guys liked the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, leave a comment if you guys like bass fishing, if you guys like these videos, and follow us on our Instagram page if you're not already, at Central PA Outdoorsmen. We post lots of stuff over there, and just keep up with us on there. So thank you guys for watching.